welcome back to another video. Today we are here to unbox my Christmas present. So let's go because I'm so excited to show you guys what I've got. So let's start with this Sephora gift. You might send me what I got from the present shopping vlog, but I'm so excited to show you guys what I actually gotten, and it's super useful for me. And let's see. So first of all, I got this Kretze shampoo from the Discipline line. It's very good for frizzy hair and curly hair. So I have wavy and frizzy hair, and I thought this would be the best option for me, and I am so happy to start and use it. Then we have this Gissu hair mask, which I absolutely adore. I think it's super cute and very useful for me. So as you see, as I told you, I have frizzy and wavy hair, and this was the best hair mask option for me. Look how cute and aesthetic this is, just like that. So cute, and the smell of this is absolutely daring. It smells like honeycomb. I absolutely, it's vanilla and honeycomb, you know, I like this. And we have this Gissu lip oil, which I think is the best option somehow, because I already have the Gissu hair mask. I think this would be the best, so I have a little set from Gissu. And just look how cute this is, like, oh my god. I hope this is as good as they say on social media, because I'm very excited. Wow, this one also smells like honey. Wow, it smells like gummies and Smarties, M&Ms, something sweet. I love it. And this one I wouldn't count as a gift, but I used this ordinary niacinamide acid for over 2 years, and this was very good for my skin, so I just had to repurchase it, and it's very useful, so yeah. Then we have the Charlotte Tilbury's gift. We have gotten a mini setting spray. So I think my makeups would be better with the setting spray, and with setting spray is way better than the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Just look at that. It's so good. I actually want to try this, and I'll record a video for you guys trying all these new products in different videos. And it smells like flowers. It feels like you are in a flower garden. It smells so good. And here comes what I'm most excited for. This is actually what I've always wanted. They are super cute, super everything, and I had to wait for these like 5 days since the gifting shopping present vlog, and there were some issues with the Victoria's Secrets. I've ordered these, but they sent me the wrong product, the wrong order, so I had to get a refund and get these again. So it just took 2 weeks for me to get these, and I'm so excited for them. Now let's unbox it and show you guys what are they. So the total of these was 425 dirhams, which I actually think is such a good price for these two. And oh my god, how beautiful they look. So I got the boxy makeup bag from Victoria's Secrets. I think it's actually very useful and good. Oh, it looks so good, oh my god. Wow, so inside it also have much depth and some places for your brushes and lip oils. I love this. I cannot wait to put all my luxurious makeup and good makeups in this one. Then we have the mini duffel bag, which is absolutely cute, and I adore it so much. I actually really love this. I cannot get over this. This looks so cute, so good, so gorgeous. I cannot even tell. So we take these off. It was kind of hard to like open this up, but it's worth it. So I can use it like this, or I could put it on my shoulders with this thing. The leather is absolutely amazing, and the texture, the color, everything, it just aids. I love this thing. Let's get this out. Okay, wow, this has so many space. It's like mini. It's like a medium-sized bag, and it's very useful for cafes with your friend, hangouts, maybe even libraries or some like school days when you only need pen and some quick notes pads. And this is so cute. This is how it looks from up, the zipper, the back. It looks gorgeous, literally gorgeous. And these were all my shoppings from Victoria's Secrets. So these are all my New Year gifts. I am very happy about this. I really appreciate this. I appreciate my parents for this. And I hope you guys have a beautiful gifts and a very good Christmas with your family as well. Even though we are not Christian, we also celebrate Christmas because it's just fun. But I'm very happy for this. I will show you guys how I will use it and where I will use it, and I will tell you if it's good and teen safety. Now let's talk about the prices. So this is 250 dirhams. This is 30 dirhams. This is 158 dirhams. This is 135 dirhams. This is 100 dirhams. This is 300 dirhams. 125 dirhams. So thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll post more videos about these, and I'll show you what teen life is but on a budget. So bye bye.